Are you at school or university? Do you have to write academic essays? Are you finding it confusing to understand the question or put all that information you've researched into a logical and coherent essay and get you that A grade? Hi, my name's Nina Modak and I am the founder of Modak Tutoring. My students would come to me and say, I don't know how to approach this question. I don't understand what it's asking me. They'd say, well, how do I put all this information in my head onto a page so that I can get the grade I need to go to university or college? What was lacking here is the ability to think critically, or the skills to know how to think critically. And this is what we're going to be covering on this complete course on essay writing. By the end of this course, you will be able to write an academic essay that is balanced, analytical, and interesting. Through these video lessons, you will learn how to understand the question, how to research, how to take efficient and productive notes, how to plan your essay, write a thesis, and then how to write, and most importantly, edit your essay. If these are the things you want to learn, if you want to write better essays, if you want to learn how you can improve your grade, the complete crash course in essay writing is for you. Sign up today, join the course, and start improving your writing and get to where you want to be with your education.